A natural diabetes cure that is beneficial is known as onion for diabetes treatment. Onion is well known for its effectiveness against a variety of conditions that include the common cold, diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis, and other diseases. Onion contains chemical compounds that are believed to have anti-cholesterol, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties like quercetin. The onion shows a single vertical shoot above the ground, while the bulb grows underground. It is a close relative of garlic. A natural diabetes cure has found that onion has a significant blood sugar lowering action, and the main active ingredient is known as allyl propyl disulfide, APDS, as well as diallyl disulfide oxide, allicin. APDS has the ability to lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin. Other benefits of onion are its cardiovascular effects, have the ability to lower lipid levels, are antihypertensive, and can inhibit platelet aggregation. Onions are essential for diabetes treatment. How onions lower blood sugar is not exactly known, however research has shown that the properties of onion can block the breakdown of insulin in the liver that prevents the destruction of insulin. Therefore, this means that the body will have higher levels of insulin, which is essential for people with diabetes. Onion for diabetes treatment has been used since ancient times. It makes no difference whether the onion is eaten raw or cooked. Onions, Allium cepa, belong to the lily family, which is the same family as garlic, chives, leeks, and shallots. Onion is a natural diabetes cure that contains a number of sulfides that are similar to those that are found in garlic. These are known to lower blood lipids and blood pressure. Following is a recipe for a natural diabetes cure that contains onion and potato pie ingredients: 500 g onions, finely sliced 1 kg of potatoes, peeled and finely sliced 1 tablespoon of oil, 125 g of grated cheddar cheese, 15 g of butter, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, salt and pepper to season. Method 1. Heat the oil in a large frying pan. When that can be placed under the grill, place a layer of potato, onion and cheese and repeat, ending with a layer of potato. Season in between each layer. 2. Reduce the heat, cover and cook for 30 minutes. Remove and place the butter over the potato and place under a preheated grill for a further 10 minutes or until brown. 3. Remove pie from pan and slice into wedges. Top a mix of parsley and chives. Serve with a fresh green salad. It is essential for diabetics to implement onions into their diabetes treatment plan, as this natural diabetes cure can help you to achieve optimum health. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.